Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Crunch Bowl. I'm sure at some point in your life you have, like most of us, been irritated by the soggy cereal. And some of the best cereals, like everybody's favorite little crisp rice cereals and other small cereals, have a tendency to get really soggy really fast. So we're developing a device to make that a thing of the past. Call it the Crunch Bowl. We're going to eliminate soggy floaters one bite at a time. Here we're working on our prototypes. We're up to version 3 on this prototype. You can see that we have the device. You will load it with your milk and cereal, just like it would load your bowl in the morning. But instead of loading the milk and cereal directly into the bowl, you're going to load the milk and cereal into their own respective containers, keeping the crunchy side crunchy and the cold side cold until at just the right time. The right side you can see here is the milk container, and the left side is the cereal container. We've got an auger to dispense the cereal, and there will be a solenoid activating to allow the milk to come out at just the right amount on demand. Been through a couple of versions of auger development. Uh, Original ideas and concepts, we're looking at vertical augers, but product research and considerations switched me over to horizontal augers. We're using an Archimedes screw style auger with a deep flute and a smooth, continuous uh, screw. This auger, the original auger prototype I constructed, was made from paper discs. Worked real well for its size. It was fairly high the friction content. Like it was a little bit difficult to turn. I was a little concerned that running that on a small DC motor would be difficult. Uh, but whenever I switched over to the commercially manufactured auger, the metal auger with a wider pitch and smoother surface and more continuous operation, also a larger diameter opening for the cereal to pass through. I used a 2-inch PVC versus the 1.25-inch diameter cardboard tube that I did the first version of the prototype with. So this flows rather smoothly. We were able to, just as I was with the original version, testing with the crisp rice cereal, which you can see lying on the counter. It also worked with larger cereals, up to about 3/4 square rice squares. So that worked out pretty darn well. The setup, as you can see here, has the cereal on the left, the milk on the right. The milk and cereal both come into the left side of the bowl. This will be push button operation. You'll have the ability to dispense the milk and cereal on demand exactly to your specs. Here you can see it in operation. Still a hand operating, but that will be mechanized. Push button operation, and you see the milk coming out. So first you put your cereal in, and second you put a little milk in as demand, and mix it up and eat it while it's crunchy. This allows you to never have to worry about soggy cereal again.